Hello dear students, in today's class I teach you second type of loop statement supported by Python. As we know already, Python supports while as well as for to repeat certain instructions till certain condition satisfies. Sometimes for is necessary to repeat certain instructions. We need to inform the machine that dear machine do this work repeatedly till certain condition satisfies. That is possible by while also as well as by for. For is another iterative statement supported by Python. It also repeats the given block of statements repeatedly till certain condition satisfies. In this type, we mention the range. We are going to mention the range. Range means what? Starting value also we mention, end value also we mention with some step value for increment or decrement. I give some examples, you'll come to know, no need to worry about that one. And it is also called as counter controlled or definite loop. Why it is called as definite loop? Because here we know how many times it repeats. I give examples, you'll come to know. For is also called as counter controlled or definite loop available in Python. First see the example, very simple example. Already we solved it by using while also. I would like to print hello world for 10 times. If you want to print hello world for 10 times, don't type this print hello world for 10 times. Instead of using it 10 times, put inside the body of for. Here for started, here for completed. Tab gap is there, colon is there. For is compulsory. That is a keyword. In is also must. Range is also must. And this is a variable. I is a variable. Starting value is 1. End value is 11. Initial value means starting value. Starting value is 1. End value is 11. Every time addition of 1 takes place. First time I will be 1. Hello world. I becomes 2. Hello world. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I becomes 11. It stops. That means hello world will be printed for how many times? 11 times. Thank you prints only once. This is not related to for. Then what is the syntax of for? For is must. See here. Any variable is must in angle bracket. I have written in the syntax. No need to write angle bracket here. Then range is must. Then start value, end value, step is optional. Okay, these are also optional. How I give some examples. Then colon is must. If you give the step as 2, every time addition of 2 takes place. If you give step as 3, every time addition of 3 takes place. If you give minus 2, every time subtraction of 2 takes place. That step value might be positive or negative, not only one. You can go for 2, 3, depending on the problem, whichever you are going to solve. I hope you have understood. In exam, you have to explain like this and write the syntax. Then give one simple example like this. Not only one example, give many examples also. Now, I give some more examples. Now, same thing. What I am doing here. Okay, no problem. Here, 1, L1, 1 has been typed. Here, step value is not typed here. That is optional. You may use or you may not. If you won't use, it takes by default addition of 1 every time. If you won't mention step value, by default Python takes addition of 1 every time. That means this time also hello world will be printed for 10 times only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whenever 11 it becomes stops. But here I did one small change for you. I, hello world. Means 1 hello world, 2 hello world, 3 hello world, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hello world. Thank you. I hope you have understood. Using the step value is optional if you are making the addition of 1 every time. If you are making the addition of other than 1, you have to mention it compulsory. I hope you have understood. Very good. Then see the third example. The third example, I used only 10, only one value I used. That means I value starts from 0. You are not mentioning the starting value, just 10. Just 10 means that is the end value. You are not mentioning starting value, you are not mentioning the step. It takes by default I value as 0 for the first time, then it reaches up to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's why the output is like this. Not 1 hello world, it must be 0 hello world, it must be 1 hello world, the last one is 10 hello world. I hope you have understood. Means you can mention the starting value, end value as well as step value. Choice is yours. If you won't mention the step value, it takes addition of 1, and if you won't mention the start and step, it starts from 0 till reaches that 10 itself. That is what the difference between making the use of start, end and step value. I hope you have understood. According to your choice, you only decide. Now I give you some more examples for you. Same example, you print the message hello world for 10 times. Just only I explained you 1 hello world, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No. To print 1 to 10 numbers, just remove this hello world here. Just I have removed the hello world. Just I am printing. That means 1 to 10 numbers will be printed. See here I comma hello world, here simply I. That means it will print only the numbers from 1 to 10. I hope all of you are listening to me. I am not explaining in hurry, no? Okay, I reduce the speed. Now I would like to print the multiple table of 5. Write Python program to print multiple table of 5. Any multiple table you take, we multiply that value with 1 to 10 numbers. 1 to 10 numbers. This code will generate 1 to 10 numbers. For I in range 1 to 11 means 1 to 10. Addition of 1 means it's printing 1 to 10. Just 5 into I. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 3, 15. 5 tens are 50. It prints the multiple table of 5. See here, if you do small modifications in the code, we are going to get different results. That's why you need to practice on paper also. Come up with new problem and solve by your own. Then you become a good programmer. I hope you are following me. Thank you. Now I change the question. Write a Python program to print multiple table of n. In the previous code we have printed the multiple table of 5. But this time it will ask you enter the value of n. Whichever the number you enter now, that multiple table we are going to get. Then how to write the program? Very easy. First we read the n. Just n into I am doing in this program. In the previous program 5 into I. But in this program n into I. Means whatever the n we enter, that will be multiplied with 1 to 10 numbers. That means we get the multiple table of entered n. I hope you have understood. Very good. See the last one more example for you in today's class. To find factorial of n. Already we solved it by using while. Okay. Now we solve this one by using for. If we give the input as 5, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. What is that? 120. That is the factorial. We read the n. Assume that entered n is 5. Okay. It will generate the numbers from 1 to 5. See here, starting value is 1, stop value is n plus 1. Why I have taken n plus 1? Because 5 plus 1, 6. 1 to 6 means we get only 1 to 5. Every time addition of 1. What I do with 1 to 5 numbers? I am multiplying. First time product is 1. 1 into 1, first time I will be 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24. 24 into 5, 120. For loop is over. Factorial is 120. I hope you have understood. Okay. Same thing I give in my notes. Please go through it. I hope I explained the topics very clear for you. If you are not able to understand, please watch the video again, or you can ask me questions also. Just I revise everything whatever I taught in my today's class in just 1 or 2 minutes. That means in today's class I taught you what is for. For is another iterative statement available in Python. It also repeats the given block of statements repeatedly. We need to mention the range, starting value and end value and step value. It is also called as counter controlled or definite loop because we know how many times it repeats. Syntax is for is must, variable, in is must, range is must, initial value, end value and step value. Statements to be repeated. Statement X is not related to this. First example, first initial value is 1. Till that value I becomes 11, it repeats 1 to 10. Means 10 times hello world. And it will print hello world only, but step value is not mentioned here. Not mentioned means it takes by default addition of 1. But I am printing hello world with 1 to 10 numbers. and here just range has been mentioned. Starting value is not there. Starting value is not there means it starts from 0 till it reaches 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 10 hello world. And one more example, same thing. Okay, and we are printing just 1 to 10 numbers here. Multiple table of 5 means we are multiplying 5 with 1 to 10 numbers, and multiple table of n means we read n and we multiply with 1 to 10 numbers. You can solve it by using while also, please practice. And to find factorial of n, we are generating the numbers from 1 to n. 1 to n plus 1 you have to take. Okay, because whenever I becomes 6 it stops, and I multiply 1 into 1 1, 1 into 2 2, like this I get the factorial. Means if you get a question on for, if you write like this in exam, you get out of out marks in examination. Thank you for your cooperation. I increase the speed of my teaching. I complete the syllabus, my dear students. Please don't worry. But I am requesting you to please follow me. Thank you. Practice. If you have any doubts, please ask. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.